check out the Ferrari, guys. This thing looks so good, guys. Bright red. By Pininfarina, you see it down there at the bottom, guys, right there. Man, they coming out with their own cars. I think are going to be awesome. I can't wait to see those things. Check this out in the back, guys. Dude, this thing's from Montana, it says. Holy crap. Super nice, super cool. Let's check it out inside one time. Ooh, and it's got the Target. Look, guys. Oh yeah, freaking awesome, guys. Super, super cool. Check this out, guys. Another Ferrari and another body by Pininfarina. You see it down there, guys. Super nice. We'll peek on the inside of this. This is like a grand touring Ferrari. More, guys, but I promise you it's still fast. Man, they're down there killing it in that hearse, dude. Super awesome, guys. We did get down there, we checked it out. Super, super cool. White looks good, guys. White looks real good.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.